Sup everybody, Logan here from Crypto Videos, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Allo token. Ticker symbol is RWA. Now this token just got a few very big central exchange listings. We're going to talk about this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at allo.xyz. And this token just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings, but a very big one. It just got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get the Allo token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol RWA, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC Scan. There's 18 decimal places on this token. They have 11,203 holders right now. It's a very popular project. And they have a total supply of 10 billion RWA tokens. You're going to find their Twitter in the corner of the screen here, and that is at allo_xyz. And they have a link to their webpage you can see right there on the Twitter as well. Tons of followers on all their socials. So Allo is building the world's first exchange to tokenize stocks with 24/7 trading. Low fees and instant settlement to democratize investing. Built on blockchain technology, Allo has tokenized $2.2 billion in RWAs, staked $50 million in Bitcoin, and launched a $100 million lending facility. So their products include the Allo Chain, Deep Fund, Tokenize, Trade, and Lend. Now, they have community sections on Discord. They have a Telegram announcement channel, LinkedIn, and the Twitter right there. You can find them all linked on their webpage. So Allo X is a decentralized platform for trading tokenized stocks. Each tokenized stocks on Allo represents one-to-one ownership of a real-world stock held in secure custody. For example, one AAAPL token equals one real Apple stock held in custody. So it's like an equivalent, and so it basically just has a tiny A in front of the ticker of the stock. So the ticker for Apple is AAPL, so they just add a little A in front of that. Like Tesla is TSLA, so example, that would be ATSLA. So some of the key features are one-to-one asset backing. Every token is fully collateralized by real stocks. Zero trading fees, no commissions, spreads, or hidden charges. Fractional ownership, buy, sell fractions of expensive stocks like Amazon and Google. There's transparency, so all transactions are recorded on the chain. Now, you can sign up. There's a getting started guide that you could find on their document section. There is adding funds section, so you can learn how to add funds and then start trading right after that. So you just follow the step-by-step instructions. Now, trading, there's perpetual assets. So Allo X currently supports trading of 140 plus assets. Assets are added according to community input. So they have all examples of the types of stocks like Netflix, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Visa, PayPal, Google, etc., etc., etc. Order book. So the order book works in essentially the same way as all centralized exchanges, but it's fully on-chain. Orders are added where price is an integer multiple of the tick size and the size of the integer multiple of the lot size. So the orders are matched in price time priority. Allo Stocks has 100 plus trading pairs of tokenized stocks that can be directly traded via the platform. Tokenized stocks at Allo are mentioned with a tiny a, like I mentioned earlier, prefix. And so they give examples of that. And the order types, it says there's different types of order types. Number one, there's the limit order, which allows a trader to specify a maximum price that they're willing to pay when buying or a minimum price when selling. Market, so an instruction to buy or sell an asset immediately at the best available market price. Market orders prioritize speed and execution over price control. Also, stop limit combines features of a stop order and a limit order. It becomes a limit order when a market price reaches a specified stop price. The trade is then executed only if the market price meets the conditions of the limit price. And then stop market converts into a market order once the market price reaches a specified stop price. And I mean, if you've traded stocks and crypto for a while, you'll know what all those mean already. So they also have the take profit and stop loss orders, the TPSL. So, I mean, you would know about that too if you've been trading crypto and stocks for a while. And they have staking, so you could stake tokens. And some of the key features of the Allo BTC liquid staking is you can earn yield and maintain liquidity. They have DeFi composability, enhanced yield via Babylon, reduced risks of asset lockup. So you can check out the liquid staking token known as Allo BTC in their document section as well. Now there's also Allo Points, which is an incentivized campaign, and users can earn points by having simple interactions with the Allo ecosystem. They have a trading overview and architecture if you want to learn about that. The user guides include staking, minting, assets, network information. And I mean, if you have any questions, they have so many socials and things like that where you could reach out to people. I mean, their Telegram here at Allo_XYZ has 117,000 subscribers on there. That's the announcement channel. But you can join the Discord to chat with other community members. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the RWA token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token was just listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.